The largest star is Stephenson 218. Its diameter is 2,160 times larger than the Sun. Neurons in the brain. A person has 86 billion of them, but an octopus has 9 independent brains. The fastest space object, the Parker Solar Probe, is moving at a speed of 700 kilometers. There were giant megafloods on Mars. Scientists have found traces of ancient catastrophes that changed the surface of the planet. The most powerful laser. Its energy exceeds 10 quadrillion watts, which is millions of times more powerful than the Sun.